Hello kids, welcome to my channel. You must be wondering what have I brought today, right? So today we are going to make this interesting looking document which is gonna help you in your computer projects, right? So without wasting any time, I'll quickly go to the File tab, and from here I'll go to the New option and pick a blank document. Alright, so now as you can see, my font is already set to Times New Roman and the size is set to 14 because as it is said that for formal documents you always need to pick a font which is easily readable, and Times New Roman is usually the best font for this case. Okay, and the adequate size of the text should always range between 12 to 14, so that is why I will be picking the font size as 14, right? Let me change the font and come to Times New Roman. So we'll quickly finish up the typing part. So first you need to write your name. So I'm picking a name. Then press the enter key and come to the new line to mention your class. So let us say that this child belongs to class 2, and then you need to mention the subject. So since we are dealing with computers, so we'll write computer as a subject, and the topic would be computers memory and storage devices, right? So now we are done with the typing part. All we need to do now is to bring our text in between, because in our previous document, as you can see, our text is at the center of the page, right? So for this, we simply are going to select our text, and then under the paragraph group, we have the different alignments. So we'll set our text to center alignment. Once we do this, automatically our text will appear at the center of the document. Now we need to bring this text a little bit downward. As you can see, I have some space in between. So for adding this space, you can just bring your cursor is already blinking just before N. So from here, press the enter key twice, and now see your text is appearing in the somewhere in the middle of the document. Okay, so now let us quickly go and change the color of our page, right? So for that, we'll go to the Design tab, and then here we have the option of page color under the page background option, under the page background paragraph, right? So I'll just click here, and then quickly we'll select our choice of color, that is fluorescent. Once we are done typing and setting of the color, now it's time for us to insert a new image. Suppose you want to add a relevant image, so you are going to click where you wish to insert. So I want to insert my image somewhere below the topic. So I'll just press the enter key and bring my mouse pointer below. Okay, and now I'll just go to the insert tab, and from here under the illustrations group, I'll just click on pictures option. I'll go click on this device, and then from here I can pick a relevant picture. So I've already added this picture into my computer, so I'm just gonna insert it. So as you can see, the picture has been inserted. Now using these white circles, these are called as handles. So using these handles, you can actually resize your picture. If you want, you can make it small or you can make it large. Okay, so I'll reduce the size of the picture to, let's say, this. Okay, so this is the perfect size for my document, and now it's time for me to, as you can see, now it's time for us to highlight our text. So for highlighting the text, I'll simply select the text first, and then I'll again go back to the Design tab, and in this we are going to go to the page borders option. So in this page border, we will click on this shading, and here it says no color. So under the fill option, you can select any color of your choice. So I'll select yellow, and now click on the OK option. So the moment I'll click OK, I will be able to see my text highlighted. So now the editing has been done, and you can just match it with your previous document. Here the size of the, you might say that this size of the picture is a little bigger, so I think now you can easily change the size of the figure since you already know it, right? So you hold the handles and then you increase size a little bit, right? So that is all, and that is how you can actually edit your document in MS Word. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope that I'll be able to see some nice and beautiful documents from your end. So thank you so much.